Hello guys, Forex success here again. Guys, this is the biggest promo of the year. Like, it's for the whole of this month, guys. Forex success is giving free signal for the whole of March. Yes, guys, it's a happy new month. It's a new month, and we wish you a happy new month. So we're giving you free signal to trade Forex. Yeah, to trade Forex for the whole of this month, the month of March, from the 1st of March to the 31st day of the March. Guys, all you have to do is to click on the link at the description below to open an account with Moneta Market. Deposit at least $100, then send us a screenshot with your name so you can be added to the group and receive signals daily for 31 days to grow your account. Guys, this is very huge and this is very big. You can see some people are already partaking on this for the signal, and they are all making money like we are. So make money with us this month and see the difference between trading on your own and trading with Forex success. Guys, I will advise you to jump on this. I'm not asking for a dime. We're not asking for anything. Just open an account with Moneta Market. The link is at the description below. Click on the link, open an account, then fund it with a minimum of $100, at least $100. You can fund bigger amounts so you can trade higher as well. As you can see, I have $1,000 in my account, which for today, just today, guys, look at the time I entered this trade. Yes, today around 5:04, you can see I entered the trade, and today I already made over 50% of my account. So if you're using $100 and you're trading with me, definitely you should be on 50% profit, which is $50. So if you're using $1,000 by now, you should be on $500 profit, $500 plus profit. Exactly, guys. So this is it on Forex success. Yeah, live for this month. So guys, click on the link, open an account, deposit, and start trading and make your money for you. See the difference in the month. Join us and make money with Forex success. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. We are good for you.